I found Hagit because I had been diagnosed with progressive kyphosis. And the first surgeon who evaluated me said, "I'm sure he'll be coming back to me soon for surgery." And that was not a satisfactory answer. And I did some research and I was led to Dr. Matthew Cunningham. And he checked the angle of my curvature, which was then around 86 degrees, which is quite significant. And he said, "Given your age and your very busy lifestyle, I think you should consider the possibility of doing Schroth exercise." And I have to say that my first exposure was less than totally successful because I went to a spine center. It was overbooked. I had irregular sessions. I think the therapist was hesitant about teaching me the real Schroth exercises because of the curvature and my age. But then when I went back to see Dr. Cunningham, one of his terrific staff people said, "You should call Hagit because she might have time to see you on a private basis," which is what I did. And so we started working together really in the summer of 2014, and it was a transformative experience. Yes, I learned how to do the exercises, and it's become part of my way of life. But if one can afford it, and if one is fortunate as I was, if you have the additional benefit of working with an extraordinary therapist, you have synergy. You're both participating. It's a certain kind of relationship. Some of the exercises are quite complex in terms of the breathing pattern. These are learned, but you get reinforcement if you do it with a therapist. I do these every day, some days longer than others. And I've learned a great deal. But I've also benefited so much from one-on-one. And I would say that there is no expiration date on age. This is a wonderful, conservative way of building your muscles depending on the nature of the curvatures. Mine is the thoracic area. And I work at home, which meant that we had to devise some innovative ways of doing things that one would ordinarily do in a spine center or clinic situation. And that involves having a regular mat. And in my case, we've actually marked with tape where my shoulders should be positioned, where my head should be positioned, where my feet should be positioned. So if I'm working on my own, I can follow the pattern that I've learned to do with her.